Hello everyone, my name is Jay Chris Gurucharan. In this video, I would be sharing about my FPM interview experiences and the journey I have had so far. So let us get started.
Before we get started about the interview experience, first this is my brief background. I did my BA in Social Sciences from TIS Hyderabad. Post that I went on to do my MBA in IIM Trichy. Then I joined PhD program in Pondicherry University with Department of Banking Technology in the year 2019. Now in the year 2020 I would be joining PhD or FPM in IIM Indore in the finance area. Now let me take you through the interview calls and offers. In IIM Ahmedabad, I had interview call for finance and accounting area which I could not convert. In Bangalore, I had interview call for economics which I could not convert. In Lucknow, I had call for economics area, again something which I could not convert. In Indore, I had interview call for finance and accounting area which I could convert, and in Kozhikode I had interview call for both finance and accounting area and economics, and I converted the finance and accounting area. And in Tiruchirappalli I had called for finance and accounting area which I could not convert, and in IIM Udaipur I had called from finance and accounting area which I could convert. Hence, to conclude, I have finance offers from Indian Institute of Management Udaipur, Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode and Indian Institute of Management Indore, and I would be joining the PhD program in Indian Institute of Management Indore for the 2020 batch. Let me now walk you through the FPM interview experiences I have had. The major focus was on your statement of purpose. In addition to that, things like area fundamentals will be tested. It also pays to be extremely thorough with the conferences you have attended and the publications you have under your belt. And since FPM is a long duration program, motivation is a key factor. So definitely the interview panel will test how motivated you are to go through the rigor of a PhD program in general. And this is a very important thing. As a budding researcher, you must also exhibit certain research aptitude, a tendency to think like a researcher. And also, since you are applying to a particular institute, alignment with the institute matters. Say for example, key things like institute values, the institute's course pedagogy, etc. And in addition, you must also look at alignment with professor's research interest. The reason why I say this is because FPM is a very guide-centric program. Since you would be working under certain guides, you must also have a brief idea about what are the professor's research interests in that particular institute. Let me now give you some suggestions based on my limited experience, and this would be helpful for you while preparing for FPM. First and foremost, I have a very practical SOP. In other words, I have a very clear idea of what you want to do, and the methodology must be practical and implementable. And also brush up on basics of the area which you are applying for. Say for example, if you want to pursue your research in behavioral finance, you must certainly know about the things that particular field covers. Say for example, behavioral biases, prospect theory, etc. And basics of area must be very clear, and this would certainly be tested in your interviews, because even during the FPM journey, the first 2 years of coursework is dedicated to basics. I understand that you can enter the program and brush up on basics, but in order to show some involvement and get started with your research journey, it always pays to start reading about the basics of the area much before you enter the program or sit for interviews. And then, since you are entering into a journey which is focused on research, process is a very important ingredient of your research. So brush up on basic statistics and research methodology tools, and you should not be surprised if these are tested in your interviews. And also read up the latest research developments in your field. Read several research papers in your area of interest. This will show engagement from your end to the interview panel and would also set a platform for you before you start your FPM or PhD. And then reading research papers of professors. This is extremely important because you would be working under certain professors. So once you enter the institute, it would help you to narrow down on which professors could be your potential guides, etc. So certainly read up research papers by professors.
So before I conclude this video, since it's the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I would first like to extend my heartfelt thanks to all my teachers, professors and seniors who have helped me in this journey so far. Thanks a lot.